Hello everyone, I am Ziaur Rehman. I am a spoken English coach and an author and an AI explorer. And in today's video, I am going to experiment and find out how AI can help us in improving our presentation skills, specifically presentation vocabulary. कई बार होता क्या है, हम सब कॉलेज में होते हैं या फिर हम अपने कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिसेज में होते हैं. We have presentations, we know the topic academically or technically. If you are a software engineer, if you are a teacher, if you are a lawyer, यू नो योर वर्क. आपको पता है कि आपके फील्ड में क्या काम करता है, आपको टेक्निकल नॉलेज इनफ होती है. बट उसके बाद भी जब आप प्रेजेंटेशंस देने जाते हो, यू डोंट गेट वर्ड्स, यू गेट स्टक. यू फील लाइक कि मैं कैसे एक पॉइंट से दूसरे पॉइंट पे मूव करूँ, मैं किस वर्ड्स को यूज़ करके अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन ओपन करूँ या स्टार्ट करूँ, मैं किन वर्ड्स पे अपनी प्रेजेंटेशन क्लोज करूँ. ये सारी चीज़ें सीखना पहले थोड़ा मुश्किल था, बट टुडे AI makes it very very easy for us to improve our presentation vocabulary. So let's find out today how it can help us. First of all, I'm going to type a basic prompt but with little details. So I'll just assume that I am a school teacher. Hi, I am Ziaur Rehman. I am a government school teacher. I'm not really a government school teacher. I would never want to be a school teacher really. I love expanding my reach to different people, especially adults and working professional. But for the situation, let's say I'm a government school teacher. I have to give some presentations. Can you give me some vocabulary? I know my content. Generally, we know the content, but we don't know how to put it in the right words. So even without telling it the topic, it can give you lots of vocabulary that is relevant for all kinds of presentations. So let's find out. See here, starting your presentation, you can use these kind of words. Let me begin by talking about the poor condition of education system in our school or in our area or the city. Today I would like to walk you through. Today I would like to walk you through the situation that our schools are facing or the quality of Indian education system. We are here to explore. We are here to explore the possibilities that AI can bring in Indian education system. So इस तरह के words या phrases use करके आप उसमें अपना point डाल के अपनी presentations को improve कर सकते हो, बेहतर बना सकते हो. Connecting ideas, जब आप ideas बता रहे हैं एक के बाद एक, you can use these connecting ideas, connecting words. Firstly, secondly, finally. Firstly, I want to talk about the conditions of Indian government schools. Secondly, I want to address private school market, and finally I will address how AI can help in both kinds of education. So this is how you can structure your presentation. You can also use the words like moving forward, let's look at, in addition to this, etc. I'm not saying these are fixed words. I'm saying that AI can give you words that are relevant to you. This is what it is. If you feel these words are too easy, tell AI that these words are too easy, give me something advanced. If you think this is too difficult or complex, tell it that my level is not this. Can you give me something that is more relevant to me? And this is how you customize AI instead of getting big words that do not relate to you or do not are not appropriate as per your level. So do that. And number three, explaining concepts clearly in simple terms. AI can really be powerful for language learners. To put it in other way, we are not saying that we don't need teachers. We are saying that AI can be a support with the education and with the education system and teachers. What this means is that now people can access English speaking practice anytime, anywhere on their phone. So this is how you get vocabulary, different phrases, you see, emphasizing important points. It's important to note that AI is really changing the game. I'm giving you these examples. You can use your own examples depending on the field, depending on the topic of your presentation. And you don't necessarily need to be a school teacher. These words can be used by any working professional or a college student or a school teacher or professor. Engaging the audience. Hey guys, have you ever noticed that we don't have enough speaking partners to practice English with? Now AI can become that speaking partner. इस तरह से आप अपने conversations में इस तरह के phrases use कर सकते हो और अपनी conversations, presentations को interesting बना सकते हो. And my job is to show you the possibility. I'm not here to tell you that use this phrase only. No, you have to find out your level, which phrase is more relevant to you and which one you really like and you want to use, and you use that. You see, ending your presentation, to sum up, in conclusion, let me quickly recap, etc. And then it has given some bonus as well. Let me tell him, hey, these words are too basic. Can you give something advanced? And it will give you advanced phrases even if the spelling is wrong. sophisticated openings. I would like to begin by framing today's discussion around the AI and combination of AI and language learning. This presentation aims to unpack the combination and potential of AI in Indian education system. At its core, this topic addresses the potential of AI in Indian education system. So this is how you see suddenly the language has leveled up, and this is how you can use it to customize it as per your language level and requirement. So make it yours, make it authentic, make it real. See, lots and lots of interesting phrases. It's worth reflecting on. Trends clearly demonstrate that AI is people are adapting more and more to AI. This cannot be overlooked, etc. You see, these are very interesting advanced phrases, and this is just one example of what AI can do. This is another, you see, power vocabulary. Basic words and advanced version: important, crucial, or integral. Show, demonstrate, help, facilitate or enable, problem, challenge, or constraint. This is how you can improve and polish your vocabulary, and this is just one glimpse of it. If you really practice with it regularly using any other AI tool that you like, that works for you, and this is how you can improve your vocabulary and a lot of other things. So trust AI and practice with AI, and keep following my channel to make sure that you are getting this kind of ideas and updates all around. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any other topic in mind, comment in the comment section, and I will try to make videos on those topics. Thank you so much for watching. Please follow my channel.